Thank you. I appreciate y'all, everybody that rock with me. This is a little video I put together just to show a piece of what I did. This is only a part of it. So, man, like, comment, subscribe. 2021, we got a whole bunch of nice videos coming for you. We already started work on them. This will be the last one in 2020. We're gonna drop this. We're gonna drop new videos starting after the first of the year. Thank you again. Appreciate you. Shout out squad. All things styles, Mike T's. Big lifestyle, man. I appreciate y'all, man, for rocking with us. Everything, man. Come join the Facebook group, the squad on Facebook. See Paris 12 Gone Apparel. I'll see y'all next year.
Now I can get higher than the satellite. I make the crowd move like a rhino. Ran through the room with shots rang out in the middle of the function. I pull a crisscross, boy, I keep they ass jumping, bass bumping, speakers thumping. I'm always in the something like me. And your chick was in the back room humping. She out of where I'm from. I've been gone for a minute. The spits only got tighter, digga. I wrote the shit in prison, and you feeling this like Braille. No blind man, I'm climbing up out the stormy weather to a better climate. Deny me if you wanna. The proof is in the music. I'm addictive marijuana. I suggest that you use it. No losing. I see the top like some elevators, retweeters, and some crossfaders. No mate, no but high. Haters call this a high. Haters 12 gone with the dream. I'm in it like a drug dealer. Cook the crack and get the cream. Sprinting through this field of dreams. No quitting till I get it, boy. Just leave the mic to me, and I promise I'ma spit it. Boy, got a passion for this rapping. Yeah, just look at where I'm at. If you can't stop me now, man, just think when I get stacks. Just know when I get on, I'm gonna see a million downloads. Have sex with some chicks that got ass by the boat. Low count cheese by the truck. Low make fans like I'm Chinese. You think a nigga not? You can bow down on both knees. Kiss the crown. I love my town. It's tatted on my arm. Put faith in your God seek, and I promise you'll get far. Like a luxury car, fresh up off the lot. With them dealer tats we're out. Man, I'm good with that. You suck, boy, now deal with that. Face the facts of death. Still for highness like the stove on. Separated from a microphone. Now it's ET phone. Home, I'm gone, bro, flow wet like you in the water park. Got your head bobbing like a lighter, trying to get a spark. Tried to tote her from the start. I'ma live my dreams, dollar bill, y'all. Seek ye out to get the green amongst other things. For what you heard, you can play this in the car or post it up on the block, blowing earth. It's absurd, thought you heard. I'm the truth in the booth. Mic like a meth pipe, I light you up and then it's proof. Rest in peace to Richie Rat. Low Seattle fallen soldier. See, winning what I'm in it for is true. No get over. Tell baby girl it's real. Seeking something she can feel. I'm aiming for a heart to steal. I really need the deal. This grind like I'm curb serving, hungry for the guap. My fingernails is bloody cuz from reaching for the top. Off top, like I kicked the blanket off. Understand, came in this bitch a little boy, but I'm leaving as a man. Over God to a 5% a saint, to a Christian Islamic suicide. Bomb, I'm killing y'all niggas. In the name of those before me that neglected all their dreams. I'm hungry like a bear, yeah, I'm thirsty like a fiend. I'm skiing on concrete, trying to make it there. Most of y'all would've quit by now, but I'll never take it there. I hear that life ain't right, so I'm running on the left. It's an opportune warning, if you sleep, you'll get slept. Like Tyson in the building, I'm grinding for my children, trying to shake this hang over need money, I can peel them. Any real one can feel him. By him, I'm meaning me. Shots to West Seattle, the South End, the CD. Tell them bring them Sonics home. This that basketball flow. I'm a ball before I fall. Fuck what they told me in the coat. Room they had me to sell, holding up like suspenders. See, kinda spectacular, break them down like they blenders. Like Adams, almost split them with these bars. I'm gonna kill them. Got my verses even tripping fear. They gon' fall a victim. A case of cannibalism. I'm meaty, I mean, they know school nigga new back on the scene. No eyes in the team, but what the fuck a team without me? I've been chopping for 4 minutes, no room to ever doubt me. I'm taking you to school like your daddy on the first day. Fight it if you want it, you'll get murked in the worst way. Have a blessed day, I'm a preacher in the pulpit. Tongue like a Tommy gun, mind like a full clip. Bustin' by the 100-round drum, you can't do that. The game on some other shit, this ain't how I do that. I'm bringing rap back, real hip hop. Don't quit, that make you wanna dance, but you still pay attention. Feeling like we family, I'm beefing with the beat. This that fire flame, that Lil Wayne, turning up the heat. This that West Coast, that Northwest, your nigga got chopped. This that new block, that new spot, new Glock out that box. This that slave to my microphone, I'm chained to this fucker. This my ass on the track, now pucker up, motherfucker. Real rap, I don't sing, ain't no Bobby, ain't no Whitney, no list or no stutter. This that real deal spitting. Seek is not kidding, I'm Gucci and I'm Louis. I'm Rainy City, born and bred, sleepless like that movie. Make you wanna bust guns, make you wanna act a fool. I get your toes tapping, make these chicks wanna move like snakes to the beat, like it ain't no bones in it. No repentance on the track, seek success, a born sinner. Seek success, South End, Seattle, Eugene, Pitbull's music, take Chewy Trey music. Sitting here having fun, man.